Hey there to my subscribers, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love chicken wings. I've done them crispy using so many different things and different techniques. This time we're using some cornflakes. Let's get into it. So this is going to be really quick and easy. I have the chicken wings here and they've been cleaned, of course, and I'm just going to add some Maggi seasoning. If you prefer seasoned salt, use seasoned salt or use your favorite poultry seasoning. I'm not measuring, I'm just going to sprinkle some all over, okay? And then I'm going to add some black pepper. All right, and if you add enough seasoning, you won't need salt, but you can add some salt if you like. So just go ahead, use your clean hands, rub that in. If you want to use gloves, fine. If you want to add paprika and onion powder and all that stuff, go ahead. We're keeping it simple today, all right? Then we're going to get our crunch from cornflakes today. So I put the cup of cornflakes in the magic bullet. And you can use whatever processing unit you have, okay? It could be a blender. You could even crush this up in a Ziploc bag. Just use a rolling pin and roll over the Ziploc bag filled with the cornflakes. All right, my texture here is more like breadcrumbs, but if you want bits of flakes in it, then you can just pulse instead of going full blast like I did. Okay, so this is what the texture is like. As I said, you don't have to do it as fine as I did. Okay, so I have my flour here, and in the flour I had a little seasoned salt. Okay, you can add a little salt if you prefer, and then just add the cornflakes and just mix everything together. All right, and this is really delicious, guys, because the cornflakes comes with its own flavor, right? So you get that beautiful crunch, but you get some flavor too. So we're good with our dry stuff. And then in this bowl, guys, I just have the egg and the heavy cream. You could do egg and milk. The details are in the description box below as far as the amount. You don't need a lot. Okay, but I'm gonna go in with some hot sauce. Use your favorite hot sauce, and if you want this to be extra spicy, then you're gonna be adding a lot more hot sauce. Your liquid here is gonna be much brighter in color if you want this super spicy. So just dip the chicken into the egg wash, right? And then into the cornflakes mixture, and just squeeze and press. Make sure that it's stuck to the wing. All right, that's all you're gonna do. Remember what I said before, guys. If you want bigger bits of flakes on the coating, do not blend it out the way I did. Just pulsate it so you'll get some little bits of flakes if you want more texture. All right, so shake off any excess coating off of these, guys. All right, make sure that you coat it thoroughly and check if there's any wet spots. Put more of the coating on there, and then have them ready and shake off the excess before you put it in your oil. I'm using my deep fryer here, okay? I definitely needed more oil today. I forgot, but it's gonna work. It'll be fine, all right? I'm gonna put it in a deep fryer, okay? And then what we'll do is flip them over as needed. If you don't have a deep fryer, just get a heavy bottom pot, all right? Something that's gonna retain heat, and that's it. Fry them up. Beautiful, crispy, gorgeous color, guys. Really gorgeous. Look at this. Beautiful. And then I just put them on the wire rack to drain any oil that might be there instead of using paper towels. And that's it. Beautiful cornflakes crunchy wings. They are so delicious, guys. My toddler loved this so much. We all love this. And this is just one of those other ways to get your chicken beautiful and crispy. Just imagine having this with a beautiful glaze or sauce all over it. So nice. Or you could even dip it in one of your favorite sauces. So give it a try. Come back and let me know what you think. And before you go, guys, please support my channel by giving a like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.